okay, Alvin? I don't feel good. Oh, you look terrible. I'll get Dave. Okay, hold on. Today's the 19th. You just happened to get sick the same day as the Daggerat convention? I'm telling you, Cybud, I'm really sick. Oh, really? So sick that you're wearing your Daggerat costume? Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, let me just, here we go.
What's the matter, Alvin? Not feeling well?
I think I'll be okay, Dave.
But wait, hold on a minute, Alvin. If you're sick, you can't go to school.
Dave?
Oh, of course. You get sick on the exact day you've been begging me to miss school for weeks. What a coincidence.
Seriously? You too?
Oh, Alvin, okay, here, look. Let me just feel your head. Okay, really hot. Geez, maybe you are sick.
What gave it away, Dave? My fever? The sneeze? The watery eyes? Or maybe I turned my electric blanket on high, or maybe I put drops in my eyes, huh? Right? Or maybe I used sneezing powder to make me sneeze.
Oh, wait, you know what? I'm gonna call the doctor.
Hello?
Oh, yes. Hello, doctor. This is David Seville,
Yeah,
and...
fever, watery eyes, cold-like symptoms?
Oh, well, yes. How did you...
Because my office is filled with kids with the exact same symptoms. It's an epidemic. Cover your mouth, Billy.
Oh, okay. Well, should he go to school?
School? What kind of a parent are you?
Well, I think...
Of course not.
Okay, Alvin. No school for you today.
Okay, Dave. Whatever you say.
I've got an all-day meeting downtown, Alvin. You gonna be okay?
Oh, Dave. Dave, don't worry. I'll be fine. How I be? Who is it? Oh, Dave, it's you. Would you just turn off the light? Oh, Kevin, they bought it. Yep, the old sneezing powder, eye drop heating pad combo. Meet you at the bus stop in a few minutes.
So I'm very excited about...
What's going on?